This is Ashika Roman, a Google Merchant Center fixing expert, working since 2021. Today I fix a Google Merchant Center misrepresentation issue. Let's see. This is active. 33 product are active right now. Approve. Okay. Active. Okay. Let's check the product. Look, it was suspended on 20 March, 8 March, and I approve it today. Okay, let's check it. All product active. Okay, there is no issue to fix. Everything are fixed. Let's view story. 33 product active, and check. The merchant was suspended. Is a red mark, product active, and today is active. With 30 March, today is active. Let's see the mail. Okay, if I reload it, it's Arabian Merchant Center. It was a misrepresentation issue. Let's translate it to English. And see, the required review of misleading description issue has been complete. The problem has no longer appear in your merchant center. Okay, we are happy to help you answer your question. Is simply the means your merchant center is fully active for run shopping ads. It was critical to active because their store has a lot of mistake. The client didn't know about the Google policies, the updated, and come to me. Then I saw and I say him, yeah, it will be fixed, no worry, and I fix it. So if you want to fix the Google Merchant Center suspension issue, misrepresentation, website improvement, any other issue, then contact with me. I will give you the best price. And website improvement issue, I provide 100% guarantee that I can fix it. Okay, so you can subscribe my channel and contact me. I have social media link, I have WhatsApp, I have LinkedIn, I have Facebook. You can contact with me. Thank you so much for watching.